Hi, I'm Jason. If you run a residential or commercial cleaning business, you probably spend as much time managing your employees as you do finding new customers. And maybe customers are booking jobs through phone calls or your website. Then you're manually texting employees to see who's available. Employees text you when they arrive. Someone forgets to check out. Cleaning checklists are printed on paper, and photos are sent through WhatsApp, and customers sign a paper invoice. And at the end of the week, you're trying to figure out everyone's payroll. As your business grows, that process quickly becomes quite difficult to manage. The good news is that much of that workflow can be handled from one app. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how a cleaning business can use Connecteam to schedule employees, track time, manage cleaning checklists, collect customer sign-offs, and also upload job photos and prepare payroll. We'll be building a complete workflow that looks like this. First, customer books, employees scheduled, GPS clocked in, cleaning checklist, photo upload, customer signs, payroll ready timesheets. I've also included a link to Connecteam in the pinned comment and description that you can actually use to sign up and get started for completely free. Now let's jump in. Once you have tapped the link in the description, you'll be redirected to Connecteam's homepage. From here, you can select Start 14-day free trial, and you can sign up using your email address. And it is going to ask you some basic information, for example, your company name, and you can also set up your business logo. Once you're finished, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this page, the first thing I want you to do is add your cleaning staff. To add your cleaning staff, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there, you're going to select users. After you have selected users, you're going to see some sample users. So you can see we have 3 sample users right here, or better yet 2. To add staff, you're going to tap on add user. Then from there, you have a few options. You can either choose to import if you have a list already, or if you would like to generate a QR code and quickly share it with them, you can do that. Or you can select add manually. After you have selected add manually, this is where you'll be able to fill in their first, last name, and also phone number, as you can see right here. After you have filled in that information, you can scroll across, and you can also fill in when their employment start, just like that, and you'll be able to also add their birthday, as you can see right here. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap right where you see send an invite, and you could send an invite right there, and they'll be able to download the mobile app or web app and use it. So from there, you can send that. After you have added your staff, the next thing I want you to do is, now let's picture a customer books a cleaning. So maybe they book through your website, phone, Facebook, Google, or another booking platform. Once you have confirmed the appointment, you'll create a shift inside Connecteam. So what you're going to do is go over to the left-hand menu option once you have got a booking, and you're going to select schedule. After you have selected schedule, from here, you're now going to create your first shift. From here, you're just going to tap where you see create and publish a shift. You can tap right there and you can select add shift. After you have done that, you'll see a pop-up window appear. From this pop-up window, you'll be able to add the date that the job should be done. So you can select right here. So for example, let's say it will be Friday. Then you can select the start and finish time. So we'll start the job at 9 a.m. and we're going to be finishing the job by 12 p.m. So I'm going to select 12 p.m. right here. After you have done that, you'll now be able to add the location. So to add the location, you're going to tap right where you see location, and you're just going to select clear selection. After you have selected clear selection, you're going to tap on edit list. Then you'll tap on discard changes, and you'll be led to this section. And from here, you're going to tap on create new. So let me quickly add in a sample name and address. After you have added in the information, you can choose to create a geofence for this location if you want, and then you'll simply select save. So you can see right there that the location has been added. Now that the location has been added, as you can see right here, you can simply tap on the X to close out. And we're just going to tap on the 3 dots once more, and we're going to tap on add shift, and you're going to choose the date. After you have selected the date, from here you can now select the location. and you can see the location has now been added. Then from here, you can also select the employees that you like to assign this to. So let's say, for example, I would like to assign it to this employee. After you have choose the employees that you would like to assign it to, so I'll be assigning it to 2 employees. You can scroll down, and from there, you can also add in information if you want. So you could add in a quick note. Then you're going to scroll down and you're just going to select publish. Once you have selected publish, they're going to automatically receive a notification or an email telling them that their shift has now been updated. By the way, you can also add in different tasks that you would like to be completed in that shift, and I'll be showing you how you can quickly create a list. So you're just going to select publish. Now, after you have selected publish, the beautiful thing about Connecteam is you can use their GPS to clock in. So once your employee has received your invitation, and then from there they have received the shift, they'll be able to use the Connecteam app to clock in. So for example, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option and select time clock, once you have selected time clock, as you can see right here, this is where you'll be able to see if your employee is at the location. So once they have clocked in, you will see clock in and you will see the time right there. And you'll also be able to see their location on a map. So this is perfect for persons that are doing cleaning businesses and so on and other remote work. So you'll be able to monitor it right here. And some businesses also choose to use geofencing. So employees can only clock in when they are within an approved work area, depending on how they have configured their account. So if you had selected geofencing earlier, you'll be able to use that. For cleaning businesses with multiple teams working throughout the city, this provides much better visibility than relying on text messages saying I'm here. Now let me show you how to create digital cleaning checklists. Instead of carrying printed papers, each employee receives a digital checklist on their phone. So to set this up, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Add New. After you have selected Add New, from here, what I want you to do next is you're going to see right here, you can see form. You're going to tap right where you see form. You're going to tap on Add New. After you have selected Add New, you're going to tap on Add New in the top right hand corner. Then once you have done that, you're going to tap on Use a Template. After you have selected Use a Template, when it comes onto Connecteam, they practically have a template for all different types of jobs. So you can scroll down and you will see cleaning. And we're just going to be selecting daily cleaning checklists. And you can see different checklists that you can also create. And once you have selected it, you can see a preview of how it looks. And we're just going to be selecting this template. After you have selected the template, you can edit the checklist. So you could tap on the pencil to edit the checklist. Or if you would like to remove something, you could simply tap on the trash can to delete it. And you can also preview how it would look on a mobile device, as you can see right here. Now there are 2 things that I want to add to this checklist. First, I'm going to tap on Add Field right here. And the first option that I want to add is the option to add photos, as I want them to upload photos whenever they have completed the job. So you're going to tap on Image Upload. I'm just going to type in Upload Finished Job. After you have done that, you're going to select Required. Then you're going to tap on Confirm. And you can see it right there. And the other option is I also want to ensure that they have added the signature. So you can see the signature right here. So this will allow the customer to sign the signature also. These photos can help document completed work. They are also useful if a customer later has questions about the condition of the property at the time the cleaning was completed. Rather than searching through multiple WhatsApp conversations, everything stays connected to the job. So you can set that up right there. And also when it comes on to customer signed off, so if I were to scroll down, you can see the option right here, click to sign. So the customer will be able to sign off right here. After the cleaning is completed, many businesses like to have customers confirm the work. Instead of carrying paper forms, the employee can present the phone or tablet to the customer. The customer reviews the completed work and signs electronically. Now you have confirmation that the job was completed before your employee leaves. This can reduce misunderstandings later if questions arise about whether the service was completed. So you can set that up, and once you're finished, you'll simply tap on save. And just like that, they'll now have access to this, as you can see right here. So you can scroll down, and if you like to send it to specific employees, you can do that. I'll just simply select all, then I'll tap on next. After you have selected next, from there I'm just going to publish it now. So they'll always have this on their mobile app. So just like that, we'll select confirm, and they now have a digital checklist, as you can see right here. And I'll also be able to access this checklist later on. So for example, if I'd like to see the photos or so on, I can also view it in this section. Now let's talk about communication. Cleaning businesses constantly deal with changes. A customer cancels, someone calls in sick, a new booking comes in, a cleaner finishes early. Instead of sending multiple text messages, Connecteam allows you to send announcements. So you can go over to the left-hand menu option once more. Once on the left-hand menu option, from there you could select chat, for example sake. And with chat, you'll be able to send announcements, as you can see right here.
Personal and work messages?
With chat, you'll be able to send announcements, as you can see right here. You can choose to have one-on-one conversations with a specific team member, or you can choose to broadcast through different channels, as you can see here, and you can know who read your message, be able to create a healthy work-life separation, as you can see right here. So for example, Team B, you can send a message that says, please head directly to Maple Street after completing your current cleaning, or tomorrow's office cleaning has moved from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. and you'll be able to see that they have read the message as soon as you have sent it. Another thing that I want to talk about is most cleaning companies have procedures they expect employees to follow. For example, chemical safety, equipment instructions, customer policies, lockup procedures, key handling, and also cleaning standards. Instead of printing binders, you can upload these documents into Connecteam. Employees always have access to the latest version from their phones. To set this up, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Add New. Then you can simply select Document right here, and you'll be able to add the document. Once you have added document, you can tap on Start Using Document, and from there, you'll be able to add this. Another thing that with Connecteam, you can also set up onboarding. So hire new cleaners often means repeating the same training over and over. Instead, you can build onboarding materials inside Connecteam. By going over to the left-hand menu option, you can select Add New once more. After you have selected Add New, you will see Onboarding, and you can simply tap on Add New. So with this, you'll be able to create guide for new hires, you'll be able to share material, and you'll be able to get them ready. So now new employees can complete much of the onboarding before working their first cleaning assignment. Management can also track who has completed the required training. And when it comes onto payroll, it will be a lot easier to manage with Connecteam, as you'll be able to access the timesheet right here. So from here, you'll now be able to see everything. So you'll see when Sarah arrives, GPS clock in, completes cleaning checklist, uploads photos, and when the customer assigned. So by the end of the week, management already has organized employee hours that can be reviewed before payroll. Instead of manually calculating everyone's hours from text messages and handwritten notes, everything is already much more organized. Now, in conclusion, who Connecteam is best for? I think Connecteam is an excellent fit for residential cleaning companies, commercial cleaning companies, or office cleaning or vacation rental cleaners. You can also use it for move-out cleaning, janitorial businesses, medical office cleaning, school cleaning, Airbnb cleaning, property maintenance companies. Basically, if you have employees working at different customer locations throughout the day, can help organize scheduling, communication, time tracking, and daily operations. If your business also requires quoting, invoicing, customer relationship management, or advanced route optimization, You may choose to pair Connecteam with other business softwares that specializes in those areas. And with Connecteam, you can actually get started for completely free. And also, if we were to check out their paid plan, you can see right here with the small business plan, you'll be able to access all of the features for completely free with up to 10 users. And if it is a case that you have a larger team, let's say for example, you want to go onto their expert option, that would be $99. But you also have a basic option that you can go onto. And with this basic option, you'll be able to add up to 30 users, as you can see right here. So this is a good option that you can also explore if it is a case that you have a larger team. But if you have 10 team members, you can actually use the small business option for completely free. Thanks for watching.